You know what's embarrassing? Being a full-grown adult who can't do a handstand. Like, kids do this, 6-year-olds do this, at birthday parties, while eating cake, and here you are, a functioning human with a job and a Netflix account, completely stumped by gravity. Today, that changes. You're gonna learn handstands, and you're gonna learn them the easy way, not the watch a gymnast on Instagram and cry way. The actual, beginner-friendly, I promise you won't die way. Let's get it. By the end of this video, you're gonna understand exactly how handstands work. Okay, step 1. Understand what a handstand actually is. Here's the thing nobody tells you. A handstand is not a strength move. It is a balance move. People think you need arms like a silverback gorilla. You don't. You need to find your balance point and stack your body on top of your hands, like a human Jenga tower. The reason you fall over, it's not because you're weak. It's because your body has no idea where straight is upside down. Your brain is literally confused. It's looking around going, where is the floor? Where is the floor? Before we get into the actual training, I need to address some things I see in the comments of every handstand video ever posted on the internet. Myth 1. I'm too old for this. Okay, how old? 40, 50, doesn't matter. Handstands are a skill, not a sport. Your body learns skills at any age. It just learns them slightly slower and complains more. Which, honestly, same. Myth 2. I need to be flexible first. You don't. A handstand is vertical. Flexibility helps eventually. But for a beginner handstand, you just need to be able to raise your arms above your head. That's it. Can you do that? Great. You're flexible enough. Myth 3. I tried for 2 weeks and got nothing. 2 weeks. You tried a skill that takes most people 3 to 6 months. For 2 weeks, and decided it wasn't for you. Okay. This is actually a mindset thing, and we're going to talk about it. Handstands are the most humbling skill in fitness. You will look silly. You will fall. You will kick up and immediately crash sideways and knock something off a shelf. Ask me how I know. The people who get handstands aren't more athletic than you. That's genuinely the whole secret. Step 2. Build your foundation. The wall is your best friend. Repeat after me. The wall is not cheating. The wall is not cheating. Exercise 1. Chest to wall handstand. Put your hands about 6 inches from the wall. Walk your feet up the wall until your body is straight. Now just hold it. Breathe. Don't die. Step 3. Wrist prep. Don't skip this, or you'll regret it. They are going to hold your entire body weight. So before every session, do this. Wrist circles, 10 each direction. Prayer stretch. Hold 20 seconds. Reverse prayer. Hold 20 seconds. Fingertip push-ups on the floor. Just 5 reps. It takes 90 seconds. Do it. Your future self will send you a thank you card.
Step 4. Finding your balance point. Okay, this is the secret sauce. The part that actually matters. When you're in a handstand, balance comes from your fingers, not your wrists, not your shoulders. Your fingers are like tiny little steering wheels. Falling forward, press your fingertips into the ground. Falling backward, push through your palm. It's micro adjustments, tiny ones. Like you're balancing a broomstick on your hand, except the broomstick is you. Practice this drill.